Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's weird me doing a kind of clothing haul in this room because normally I do my clothing hauls in my bedroom, but today we're going to be doing it in here. So as you can see from the title, I have stuff from Target, Walmart, Five and Below, Ross, and Marshalls. I just kind of threw it all together because I didn't have enough from each place to do like a dedicated haul for that one store. So if you'd like to see some of the things that I picked up, please keep watching. So the first I'm going to show you is from Five and Below, and I've never purchased any clothing from Five and Below, but I saw this and I was like, dang, that looks like it would be like 20 bucks from like Target or where's another place, like Forever 21 or something like that. So this is an Mtv shirt. Like I said, it's only $5 and the quality is like really nice. Like I said, you would definitely think this was more than $5. I love oversized t-shirts. I went ahead and got a large because I plan on wearing it with biker shorts. And I don't have a mustard color bright yellow t-shirt, so I thought this was perfect. Like I said, even this right here feels really nice. Like, you know, sometimes when you get cheap screen printed t-shirts or shirts in general, like you wash it and then it peels, like this doesn't feel like it's gonna do that. It feels like really nice quality and I love it. I think it's super cute. So I got that from Five and Below. This next thing I got from Ross. This was in the clearance section. I'm gonna wear it as a swimsuit cover up. So I got a size small. It's from the brand Life. Love is for eternity, I guess. Let's see. It says it was originally $7.99 at clearance price. I got it for $5.49. I'm not sure how much it was full price, but this is what it looks like. The only thing I don't really like is the back. Like, I'm not a big fan of this, but I mean, who's gonna see it when I'm wearing it? But I thought it was super cute and I love the color of this leopard print, and it is see-through. So this is what it looks like, and then it goes across the waist and it has two buttons. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so it has two buttons that go right there and they hit me right underneath my chest, and then it just opens up all the way. So hopefully you can see. See, this is why I do my hauls in my bedroom, but you can see it cinches like right there in the waist, and then it's kind of like a high low all the way down, and then it hits me like mid calf. But yeah, I thought it'd be so cute to wear as a swimsuit cover up. I'm obsessed. Then I went to Marshalls, let's see, what was it, last week. I went to get some just like baby stuff, and I saw that they had this brand here. I've only seen this brand at Dillard's and they run for like 40 bucks a piece, but they had some Ivory Ella t-shirts, and if you know what Comfort Colors t-shirts are, they're like the world's most comfiest t-shirts, and they only get better, like they get better everywhere. So like every time you watch it, it just gets better. I don't know what it is. It just kind of like fades nicely, but those are my favorite brand of t-shirts. And Ivory Ella reminds me of like Comfort Colors, like the feel of the t-shirts anyway. So I got this for $12.99. Like I said, these retail for like $30–40. So I got this really pretty like plum shade. The pocket has like a little elephant on it, and then this is the back of it. I think this is like another like sorority girl type thing, you know, like this and Sperry's or whatever. I don't even know what's in anymore because the town that I'm from was a college town. So I always knew what was in style from like watching all those sorority girls like run around. But now I don't live in a college town. I don't really know like what's all in and stuff. But I'm pretty sure I remember seeing this at some point. So I ended up getting a extra large because I wanted it to be oversized. I'll probably just wear leggings or biker shorts. And then I got a long sleeve one. And I got this as an extra large as well. This was $14.99, and I got it in this like grayish, greenish blue shade. I don't have anything this color. And again, the pocket has a little elephant. It is long sleeve, and then this is the back. I thought this would be really cute with jeans, sweatpants, you know, whatever. Wow, I don't know why I just turned like super warm there. So we've been hitting up Walmart a lot lately, and specifically to get this water that I'm obsessed with. It's from the brand Clear American, and it's the vanilla cherry flavor. It tastes like Dr. Pepper. I don't know, it's crazy, but we've been going a lot lately, and I've been finding super cute baby shoes from Walmart. And then I just happened to go look in like the bigger girl section, and I found this pair, and I got Harley, my little baby, a pair of sandals that look exactly like this almost. Hers I think have like a pink color right here or something, or they're all brown, I can't remember, but the straps are the same, everything's the same, so I thought it'd be so cute to get me a pair so that way we can match. So these were in the bigger kid section. These are a size 6. Yes, so they're a size 6. They're from the brand Wonder Nation, and I did look, and these are on Walmart.com. If you don't have a Walmart around you, if you just don't like going to Walmart, I don't blame you, because Walmart is a mess. But yeah, these are available online as well. And just for a size reference, I wear a 9 in sneakers, and then I wear like an 8, 8.5 in heels, but I can fit into a girl size 6. So I know it doesn't make any sense, but I went ahead and got these, and these were $13.88, so me and my little baby can match. And then I was so excited when I found these, so I got her these matching mermaid, okay, well they weren't matching yet because I didn't know they had them in bigger size, but I got her these little mermaid sandals. Ooh, they're so cute. Then I saw that they had the same ones in bigger kid size 2. These are a little snug, but I'm going to make them work because I want to match her. So these are size 5 to 6. I definitely needed a 6, but hey, whatever. So these were $7.98. So hers are exactly the same, but hers have little purple straps right here to stay on her feet. These are also from the brand Wonder Nation. So I'm going to try to coordinate some matching outfits to go along with these shoes before she grows out of her shoes, because she's growing very, very, very fast. But like, I can't. Like, I'm excited. I didn't realize that like Walmart had such cute shoes. Like, I know they have really cute like little kid clothes and baby clothes and stuff like that, but I didn't realize that I could get matching stuff with her, so I'm like uber excited. Then I picked up another one of these. I have this in one of my Walmart hauls and I love it. So I wanted to get another one because I'm wearing the crap out of the one that I have. So this is from the brand Secret Treasures. I think every time I buy pajamas from Walmart, it's always from this brand. But I got a small medium, and it's this pink leopard print nightgown. This was only $6.44, hence why I got another one. But it is so cute. It's so comfortable. It's soft. It hits me like right above my knee, and I'm obsessed. It's like cool. Like, it's not so thick that it gets like hot, you know what I mean? So it's nice to just kind of like put on at night, run around the house during the day, like, and the print of it I think is so adorable. Then I got another one, and this one just has coffee all over it. Again, this is from the brand Secret Treasures, and it was $6.44, and I got a small medium. So this one just has cups of coffee all over it. I thought it was super cute. Like, how cute is this? Like, for like a get ready with me, or like a cute picture in the morning holding a coffee. Like, I love these nightgowns. They had some other prints too, but these two were definitely my favorite. Okay, so that's everything from Walmart, so now I'm going to move on to Target. This first thing is a Jaclyn Hill made me buy it. This is from Dove, and it's the dry shampoo. It's the Care Between Washes. This is in the scent Fresh and Floral. So she said she really liked this, and I wanted to try it out because what's that one that everybody always likes? I can never think of it. It starts with a B. Batiste, like that dries my scalp out so much. It makes my scalp itchy, flaky, like all the above. So I'm on the hunt to find like a really good dry shampoo. I can't really smell it. My nose is stuffy, but yeah, I picked up this dry shampoo. Then I just got some more of these cotton rounds. I always get mine from Target for the most part. This is the Up and Up brand basic cotton rounds, and they come in a pack of 100. I want to say it's like $2 or something like that. Then I can't leave Target without makeup and clothes. So let's start with the makeup. I want to get every single shade, and I've seen people on TikTok like rave about these. So I picked these up before I saw it on TikTok, but now I want to go back and get all the other shades, I think. I know I haven't even tried it yet, but these are the new Maybelline Lifter lip glosses. First of all, that packaging, yes, this is like Kim Kardashian packaging, like KKW beauty packaging, but better. So I got these two shades right here. I got this really light pink shade because I like really light lip glosses to go on top of like my nude lips, so I knew that I would wear this one a lot. So this has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's in the shade 002 Ice. I don't really like the smell, but ooh, that feels really like sleek, slick on the skin. So that's what it looks like. It kind of smells like weird cotton candy. Then, but you guys, I love the packaging of this. I can't get over it. Then I got the shade 005 Pearl. And this one is more of like a mauve shade. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it has little bits of gold sparkles in it, kind of, but it didn't really show up on my hand. But look at that shade. Okay, I love the ice shade for nude lips, but this one would be perfect for like that Kylie lip look, you know, or you could just put this on top of a lipstick that's similar, or how I would probably wear it is just like with a lip liner, and then this would be my entire lip color. That's gorgeous. Okay, sold. I have to go back and get the rest of them. I have to. Let me wipe that off before I get it on these clothes. I keep staring at the lip glosses, like, I don't know why, but I'm like seriously obsessed with the packaging of those. Then I went ahead and got a pair of biker shorts. Okay, so my favorite brand at Target for clothing is the brand Colsey. Is that how you say it? Colsey. I love it. Like every time I go to Target, I go straight to the section where this brand is and I get whatever's new, you know, like if I like it, obviously. But I saw these biker shorts and they're ribbed and they're thick. So I was like, okay, I love those. So I got these and I got them in a size medium, and this was $15. Super, super, super cute. I saw online that they had a white pair, like a burnt orange pair and a black pair, but my Target didn't have any of those. So I just ended up with the teal pair. And then I got another one of these. If you guys watch my vlogs I've been putting up, I posted that I got the black one and the burnt orange one, or like the rust colored one. Then my Target finally had the white one, so I just went ahead and picked this one up too. It's also from the brand Colsey. I know, it looks really small. It doesn't look like it would fit me, but it does. Like, I tried them on and they're so cute. And this was $7. So they did have a teal one of this, so I was gonna, like, a teal version of this to go with this, but I can't find it and it's sold out online. But I thought this would be a cute outfit together in the fall time with like an oversized jacket of some sort and some sneakers. I don't know. I thought it would be cute. So that's everything from my shopping haul. Let me know what you guys are loving at the moment. If you guys picked up any of these Maybelline glosses, let me know what your favorite shade is and I'm gonna buy it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.